Your tenon cork sheets sometimes dry out, and we need them to be really pliable to be able to bend around the small body of a clarinet or saxophone neck cork or whatever. So we need to be able to work this material. If it dries out, it gets a little bit brittle, but there's an easy way to re-soften it. Let me show you how. Take a steel block, or if you don't have a steel block, a really hard table or a vise or something like that. You need something pretty solid back in behind it. Lay your cork on there and take your mallet. And all we're going to do is beat the snot out of this cork. And I'm going to work that all the way back and forth over a large section of this cork. And when I do so, beating that up and smashing that will actually soften the cork and ply it and make it a lot more pliable than it is over here. So this side is a little stiff. Now that we've hit that one, this side here is really flexible.